In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and install the solid-state drive. Before removing the SSD, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. Before we begin, ensure that you turn off the computer and all attached peripherals. Also, remove the microSD card, base cover, and the battery. To remove the SSD, we need to first remove the microSD card, base cover, and battery. To remove the microSD card, push and release the microSD card from the computer. In order to remove the base cover, loosen the 8 captive screws that secure the base cover to the computer. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the top left corner and continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Then lift and remove the base cover away from the computer. To remove the battery, disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board and loosen the captive screws that secure the battery to the palm rest assembly. Now, lift and slide the battery away from the palm rest assembly. Next, let's remove the SSD. Remove the 2 screws that secure the SSD support bracket along with the SSD to the palm rest. Remove the SSD along with the SSD support bracket from the system. Then remove the SSD from the SSD bracket. You have now successfully removed the SSD. Now, let's see how to install the SSD. To begin, insert the SSD into the dedicated SSD slot on the system board. Align and place the SSD support bracket over the SSD so that the arrow on the support bracket aligns perfectly in its position. Now, replace and tighten the 2 screws that secure the SSD support bracket to the palm rest. Once the SSD has been installed, ensure to install the battery, install the base cover, and the microSD card back to the computer. Now to install the battery. You have to first align and slide the battery on the palm rest. Tighten the captive screws to secure the battery to the palm rest. Now, connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board and affix the adhesive tape to secure the battery cable connector. To install the base cover, align and place the base cover on the computer. You can press the edges and sides of the base cover until it snaps into place. Now, tighten the 8 captive screws to secure the base cover to the computer. Finally, align and slide the microSD card into the slot in the computer until it clicks in place. For more information, see the service manual document at dell.com/support.